Forget random video generation. The AI industry is moving beyond simple prompts to fully fledged conscious filmmaking. Today I'll show you Higgsfield Cinema Studio 2.5, a platform that allows you to do more than just make videos. Become a full-fledged director. We'll cover the entire process, from casting to final rendering. We'll create a unique actor using SoulCast, set up lighting in Soul Cinema, and shoot a scene with professional camera movement. Before we dive into the interface, take a look at the level of cinematography this workflow enables.
Everything's too tangled. I could end up in noir.
I don't want to kill you.
There are too many genres. Then I turn into an evil sergeant. But most of the time, I always end up running from weird creatures and cheap sci-fi movies. But now, I know where all the threads lead.
Impressive? Then let's log in and begin our workflow. Go to the official Higgsfield.ai website. An important disclaimer for your safety. Higsfield does not have official mobile apps. All apps in the App Store or Google Play are unaffiliated with the company. The full Cinema Studio 2.5 is only available in a desktop browser, where you have access to professional camera control. The interface is divided into logical steps. Our goal is to not jump between different websites, but to implement the entire project in a single window. Select Cinema Studio 2.5 from the top left menu bar. We begin with the casting stage, creating our main character, a tool that solves the main problem of AI video, facial consistency. For example, let's quickly take a look at the variety of unique actors you can create with SoulCast.
Oh, you're a time traveler, aren't you?
How do you like it? Here, we create a digital asset that will belong exclusively to you. In the Settings panel, we start by choosing a genre. I'll choose sci-fi. Next, the budget parameter. I set it to maximum, which forces the model to use more complex algorithms for rendering textures and lighting. Note the era selection, from vintage noir of the 1900s to modern times. This affects the color correction and frame style. Next, we choose a character archetype, such as explorer or hero, which determines their behavior. In the identity section, we set the fundamental data: gender, race, and precise age. But the real control begins in the physical appearance block. Here, we customize the build, height, eye color, and detail the hair, from style and texture to the precise color and presence of a beard. To prevent the character from looking too perfect, we add scars, freckles, or tattoos in the details section. There's also a manual entry for specific details. We complete the look by choosing clothing in the outfit section, from casual style to military uniform or high fashion. Most importantly, this actor becomes your exclusive asset. Their unique ID will allow you to use them in any future scenes, keeping their face 100% stable. Click Generate. This is no longer just a picture. It's a character with a story. Now we move on to the most important part, the Film Studio tab. This is where all the magic happens. Our first task is to assemble the filming equipment, or build a rig. Click on our actor directly inside Cinema Studio 2.5 and click Use in Cinema. Then select the character sheet. Click Use Character Sheet. Before further settings, make sure that the model is selected Cinema 2.0. This is important. Look at the camera settings. Here you can choose professional cameras and lenses that are actually used for filming. It's incredible. We're choosing a professional camera sensor and legendary optics, diffuse halogenated lenses. I'm setting the focal length to 35 millimeters and adjusting the aperture to achieve a soft, cinematic bokeh. Now we'll enter a hint for our location. To do this, I insert the prompt into this field, a futuristic command center, and be sure to include our keyframe, which we created in SoulCast. Click Generate. The system will create our keyframe, the perfect static shot that will form the basis for the future film. It looks realistic and cinematic, Also pay attention to how deep the highlights are in the frame. Download the image. Our hero frame is ready, and now we'll move on to the director's role. Direct the motion. In the upper left corner, switch to the video icon. First, add our image to the start frame. Look at the director panel. This is your main motion control panel. Here you will find 3 icons for characters. If your scene has several characters, you need to upload there, for example, 2 different characters. Next, in the movement menu, we select the camera movement type. I'll choose dolly in for a smooth zoom. In the speed ramp window, we adjust the speed graph and use the duration slider to set the scene's duration. In the genre section, select action so that the AI adds the desired dynamics to the frame. We also make sure to include a prompt so that the AI can better recognize the scene and produce the best result. Click Generate. The system calculates the motion physics, keeping the character's face and all environmental details stable. We created a complete scene in a single Higgsfield pipeline. Look at what we've created. Smooth movement, preserving all facial features and details. True stylistic continuity. That's true cinematic AI. To illustrate the full scope of Cinema Studio 2.5's capabilities, let's take a look at the official examples from the Higsfield showcase.
Bon appetit.
They cover a variety of genres, from horror to high-budget drama. These examples confirm that using the cast, shoot, and direct tools together produces results that are indistinguishable from professional filmmaking. Higsfield Cinema Studio 2.5 is the first platform to provide creators with a complete production workflow, from casting to final camera control. Now, you don't need huge budgets or an entire studio to make a film. All you need is an idea and the right tool. So you can see for yourself, I've included your personal registration link in the first lines of the description below this video. The link is also pinned in the first comment. Follow it, create your first unique AI actor, and try your hand at directing. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with new technology breakdowns. See you on set.